Hello and welcome to our review of the Atomstack Air Assist for laser engravers and cutters, a modern air pump designed to improve your laser engraving experience. This sleek and professional device boosts cutting efficiency by continuously expelling unwanted gas and cooling the material to prevent discoloration. With adjustable airflow from 10 to 30 liters per minute, it effectively removes smoke while operating quietly, similar to household electronics. The pump is lightweight and portable, making installation quick and hassle-free with simple plug-and-play steps. When paired with a laser honeycomb bed, it delivers optimal engraving quality and precision. Plus, the durable design ensures long-lasting performance for your engraving projects. Experience cleaner cuts and quieter operation with the Atomstack Air Assist Pump. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.